What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam. This is Vancity Audi, and I'm back behind the wheel of an Audi. No Volkswagen for this video. A good buddy of mine, Jared, is lending me his 2023 Audi RS6 Avant. This is the first time I'm going to be behind the wheel of this monster of a vehicle. We're going to do something really fun in today's video. We are back at the Titanium Strip Mission Raceway Park. The car is currently 100% stock. There is not one modification made to this car. I'm gonna do a couple runs down the track, and then we're gonna come back to the pits, and in the pits of the racetrack, we're gonna flash the car over to Unitronic Stage 1 91 octane tune. Then I'm gonna get back out there and do another couple hits and see how much quicker and how much faster I can go. And to wrap it up, I'm gonna come back to the pits and flash it to Unitronic's Stage 1 Plus 93 octane tune and see how much quicker and faster I can go then. Just show you guys exactly how much quicker and faster the car goes when it has all stock hardware and all we're doing is modifying and upgrading the software. Enough of me talking, let's get out on that drag strip and show you guys what this thing can do completely stock. So I'm pulling up to the line for the very first time in this beautiful RS6 Avant. Car is completely stock. Car is in RS2 mode, traction controls all the way off, car shifting on its own in sport. Let's see what this thing can do when completely stock. Whoa! Yeah, buddy! Even stock, this thing is badass. Stuttered a little bit off launch, searching for traction. Run number 2 on this stock tune. Let's see if we can do any better. Whoa, I think it hooked better. That might be a cleaner run. Damn, this thing hauls ass. Completely freaking stock, and it feels awesome. Two stock runs completed. First run, I managed an 11.61 at 118 miles an hour. Pretty damn respectable. My second run, which I could feel was quicker because it launched out of the hole that much better, I got it down to an 11.49 at 118.51. Truly incredible performance out of a stock Audi RS6 Avant. Now that we have that fun out of the way, we're gonna flash the car with Unitronic's Stage 1 91 octane tune and see how much quicker and how much faster we can go. All right, the car has been tuned on Unitronic's Stage 1 91 octane file. I'm apparently making 109 horsepower and 104 pounds-feet of torque more than I was stock, according to Unitronic's website. Now we're gonna see what that translates to on the quarter-mile drag strip. Oh, didn't like launch. I spun all 4 tires, but it is pulling so much harder. Yeah, buddy! Even with a terrible launch, I feel like that is gonna be significantly quicker and faster. Now, something that I forgot to mention is the odds are stacked against us today because the temperature is rising and the DA is rising, which means theoretically that the car should go slower. So even though it's making more power, it's gonna struggle against the warmer temps and the higher DA. Let's see if I can do better the second take running this Stage 1 91 octane tune. Now I'm hoping I don't spin as bad because I spun quite bad the first run and it kind of bogged a little on the power before it got back into it. It's spinning pretty bad out of the hole, but it still feels so much faster than stock. This is rad. so much faster than stock. At least it feels like it. Let's find out by looking at the actual time slip. Ooh, it is definitely starting to heat up with no air conditioning on. It was cooler this morning, like I mentioned, giving the advantage to the stock calibration. But one hell of a performance. First run, I ran an 11.33 at 123.76 miles an hour. That is awesome just from a tune, and I only got quicker the second time down the track. An 11.24 at 124.17 miles an hour. 6 miles per hour faster just from a software change. Freaking awesome. And I haven't even finished yet. Time to step it up to stage 1 plus 93 octane file and see if I can go any quicker. Now, as per my racing number that I chose today, theoretically, according to Unitronic's website, this car now has the potential of making 753 freaking horsepower, 709 pounds-feet of torque. It has gotten a little warmer, the prep has got a little worse, but I'm going back out here to do 2 more back-to-back runs, this time using Unitronic Stage 1 Plus 93 octane file. Probably gonna get squirrely off launch. The prep has not been relayed today and it's just getting chewed to bits. But I am all about having fun and going faster, so let's hope I do both on this run. Oh, squirmy! This car is freaking awesome! Yeah, buddy! Hauling ass! Still a little squirmy on launch. I don't have full traction spinning all 4 tires, but even faster, more fun. Let's go around one more time and see if I can do better. Oh, it's spinning like crazy! Gnarly! All 4 tires spinning away. This is gonna be slower than it was before, but that's gonna look awesome on camera. Well, that wasn't exactly the way I wanted to finish today, but I still had a blast in this thing. This car is so cool. Something that is very, very out of my budget. And I am extremely thankful to Jared for letting me borrow this car and experience what it was like from stock to stage 1 to stage 1 plus. The final results of the day, I ran 2 11.2s at 126 miles per hour. I started out the day at 118 miles per hour. 8 miles per hour more in a quarter mile is crazy just from software. But my personal best, the best run of the day, I completed the quarter mile in 11.158, an 11.1. Started out with an 11.49. If the prep was better and it didn't fall apart throughout the day and I had a little bit of a better temp, it got a little warm, I'm sweating profusely, it's a little toasty out here now, I probably would have been able to do an 11.0. A 10, 11.0, definitely in the range of possibilities. Just tremendous results with just software from Unitronic. This was freaking awesome. Back to driving an Audi. I freaking loved it. Thank you so much to Jared. This was freaking awesome. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching me race an RS6 Avant down the drag strip. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and until next time, take care.